Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix controllers not working in Epic Games. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, go to your Steam client, then press on Steam icon here, then open up Steam settings, go to controller, and then just begin a test and look if your controller is working on your computer. So as you can see here, for me is responding, every button is working. So what you need to do here next is, depending on what controller you're using, you need to select support. So make sure this option is selected, and depending on what controller you're using, you need to select. So if you're using PS5, PS4 controller, make sure it's enabled or enabled without support. If you're using Switch, Xbox controller, just tick down this button for Switch this one, or for generic this one, right? And then make sure idle gamepad shutdown timeout is on ever, because on default it will be 15 minutes. So this means after 15 minutes your controller will shut down, right? And then you need to look if the problem persists. And if the problem persists, then you need to, on search or on desktop, you should find Epic Games shortcuts. So you just need to write Epic Games Launcher, right click on it, open file location, and then here you should see Epic Games Launcher. So what you need to do here on this window here where the path is, you just need to press on the blank space and copy the path, right? And then you need to go back on Steam. On the bottom left corner you should see add a game, then select add non-Steam game, then press browse, and on browse paste the path, right? Hit enter, and then look for Epic Games, right? Epic Games Launcher, open, and then add selected programs. Here it will be Epic Games Launcher. So what you need to do here, you need to go to Epic Games, not directly from Epic Games, but from Steam. Hit play. And then after Epic Games load up, what you need to do here next is to go to library and then find the game that you want to play the game, and your controller should work. So yeah, that's pretty much it. And if I help you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care. Bye.